Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Devil's Foods cake. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then through a sifter into a medium bowl, add in the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. And sift the ingredients into the bowl and whisk them together until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then in the bowl of a stand mixer, or you can use an electric hand mixer, add the softened batter and beat it on a medium speed until it's smooth. And with the mixer running, gradually add in the sugar. And then beat it on high speed for 5 minutes. Then add in the egg yolks and vanilla extract and beat them in until they're well combined. Then alternate adding the dry ingredients and buttermilk. Start by adding 1/3 of the dry ingredients and mix them in on low speed until they're just combined. Then add in half of the buttermilk. Mix it in on low speed until it's just combined. Then repeat the process until it's all added, again mixing just until it's combined. And once the last of the dry ingredients are added, mix it until it's just combined. You don't want to overmix the batter. Then in a separate small bowl, add the egg whites and whip them until they form soft peaks. And add them into the rest of the batter and fold them in gently until they're just combined. Then grease a 9 by 13 inch baking pan with nonstick cooking spray and pour the batter into the pan and spread it out until it's even. And bake it in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. And once it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely. While it's cooling, you can make the frosting. You can make any frosting you like. I'm choosing to go with a cream cheese frosting. So in a medium bowl, add the softened cream cheese and softened butter and beat them with an electric mixer on high speed for a minute until they're smooth. Then add the vanilla extract and mix it in until it's combined. Then sift in half of the powdered sugar. Mix it in on low speed until it's combined. Then sift in the rest of the powdered sugar. Mix it on low speed at first, and once it's mostly combined, beat it on high speed. Then just frost the cake once it's cooled completely. And that's how to make Devil's Foods cake. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.